welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Trinity, and if not, welcome back. We are in the new apartment, and this isn't my first vlog, but I feel like this is gonna be like the first like full vloggy vlog in the new place. First of all, do you love her? Right now we're gonna cook real quick because I am meeting up with my man for a movie. We're gonna go see, what is it, like Project Hail Mary, that Ryan Gosling movie. I'm just gonna make street tacos and fries. On them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me in your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this, return back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Okay, it is pretty much 6:30. I'm gonna eat my tacos. I'm gonna head out. I'm literally just gonna wear this to the movies, maybe throw on a cardigan. And then I'll see y'all when I get back to the house to start unwinding for the night to prepare for work tomorrow. Hi friends, so I kind of lied, but not on purpose. I didn't get home until like 11:30, and I had to go into work today. Peep the fit. So I'm just gonna pick up where I left off yesterday, but first I need to change out of these uncomfy work clothes. Okay, I am all changed, but I'm gonna organize my shoes. They're all like in this, my little duffel bag. Put them in my shoe organizer. I'm gonna put my Cholula socks on. For those who don't know me personally, I love Cholula. I take Cholula hot sauce everywhere with me. I have like 3 bottles of it in the cabinet right now. So if it ever comes a day and somebody's trying, literally there's a bottle of Cholula right here. So literally, this is obviously not sponsored. I have less than 100 subscribers right now. But if it ever comes a day and Cholula, you looking for a sponsor, I'm your #1 girl. Put me in, coach. Put me in first. But I didn't want to just throw these on because like I was barefoot, but I don't want y'all looking at my little piggies. Do a look with my great grandma's rosaries, or maybe even just have my rosary with. Ta-da! I'm gonna tackle my office space over there. It's really dark, but it won't be once we go over there. I'm gonna organize that only because I work from home the rest of this week, so I want to make sure that my desk space is nice and cozy. And I don't know if you've already noticed, but like I already started, like I put that painting up. That's the mirror that was in my bedroom. I am gonna replace it with probably a bigger one, and then right underneath the painting I'm gonna put my bar once I get it. She's gonna come together, I promise. So let's start fixing all of this. Also, like, I know I said I don't have like an entertainment center and stuff, but like in the inner of these drawers back here, there's actually shelves, and I had my internet sitting on it beforehand, and then like my note cards and things like that, but I feel like I really didn't get to utilize the space. So I think for now I want to put my albums and things underneath here in this. Also, this is not fully secure. I gotta screw the rest of the screws in. to screw the dust down, which should be, there they are, speak of the devil.